Guys, welcome back. It's Groovy Tony. Today I'm going to teach you a little trick. I'm going to teach you how to take a screenshot on a MacBook. There's actually two really easy ways to do this. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the full screen capture because that's usually what people want. Full screen capture is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is hit Command-Shift-3. It'll do a full screen capture for you, and that screenshot is then saved right onto your desktop. Another way to screen capture or take a screenshot is a selected area screenshot. That one's a little different. What you're gonna wanna do is hit Command, then Shift, and then hit 4. At this point, your mouse cursor will turn into little crosshairs and will tell you exactly where on the screen it is. Once you press down on your trackpad or mouse, you'll be able to select the area that you want to screenshot. The entire area in the gray square will be screenshotted and saved onto your desktop. This is really great if you just want to capture a section or want to send information to someone but don't want to necessarily give off what else is on your screen. When taking screenshots on your Mac, you're going to notice that they're going to appear on the bottom right corner, kind of how they would on your iPhone. What's really cool is just like iPhone, you can actually double tap on this image and it'll open up and you can edit right then and there on your screenshot and you can mark it up right from your MacBook. Guys, that was a quick tutorial on how to take a screenshot on your MacBook, and that was just a small portion of Groovy Tech. And there's definitely more to come soon. So guys, make sure that you like, subscribe, ring the bell, and comment.